Hybrid vehicles have some characteristics you may not be familiar with, but that are normal for a hybrid. The hybrid system is designed for optimum efficiency and performance. Activation of the electric mode may vary with driving conditions and driver input. After the hybrid system is activated, the following noises and vibrations that are unique to the hybrid system may occur. This does not indicate a malfunction. Electric motor noise from the engine compartment. Sounds from the rear of the vehicle when the hybrid system activates or deactivates. Noises and vibration when the gasoline engine starts running or stops. Engine noise due to rapid acceleration. Operating sounds or electric motor noise when releasing the accelerator pedal or depressing the brake pedal. Operating sounds of the climate control system. Audible sounds from the vehicle in order to alert pedestrians to the presence of an approaching vehicle. Do not store your Nissan Intelligent Key within detection range of the vehicle. This may cause welcome lights and other functions to activate, creating unwanted battery drain. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.